wild camping with the lads.
Oh, Charlie's getting impatient.
Yeah, I'm getting twitchy now. I just want to get there. Where? It's Brecon Beacons. Beauty, that's about level.
It's a perfect little table actually, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Nice little rock.
How do you measure? Oh, I guess you would measure it out, wouldn't you? Yeah, makes sense.
About a cup. It does have in here that it says like what's enough for 2 cups.
Smell it.
Oh, maybe I do need a light then. It's meant to have a clicker on it.
Maybe, yeah, maybe it's broken. This is where it just. Yeah, it's on. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, it's gone out. So she's a light. Some little bubbles in there already. So it's
Yeah, I can see. I can see it's going. It's a bit more pinker, isn't it?
orange.
Orange? Sorry, I'm colourblind. Oh yeah. It's getting more orange. Yeah. You can see that.
See, it's boiling.
Ah. Oh wow. That's cool. That's cool. I like that. I rate that.
And there you go. That's boiling water. How quick was that?
Jeez. How much is that, Charlie? And where can you get it from?
That was. This was not £90.
So 9 pence.
Yeah, nine
Nine
tenths.
tenths.
We don't talk pounds anymore.
Yeah, we talking tenths.
Okay, so this was 9 tenths. The gas for it was about a fourth of a tenth.
A fourth of a tenth.
Yeah, about £4 for the gas. This was
That's nearly half
Four.
a tenth.
Yeah, half a tenth to gas.
You paid 9.5 tenths for that.
yeah, oh, I can't get this.
Tenatastic tenths.
Tenatastic tenths. That's a mouth tie, isn't it?
No, it's my hashtag.
Oh,
Tenatastic
look at
tenths.
that
Not a sponsor.
steaming water.
It's like fantastic, but tentastic.
Ah.
Jet boy. Doo-doo-doo. Isn't that from the Goonies? Like na na na. Oh no, that's.
I think that's like N-dubs, isn't it?
Huh?
May the forest be with you.
Nice.
That. It's hot, mate.
Anyway.
Right, we calm down now, it's okay.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do?
Well, we gotta wait 30 minutes to set up tents,
Oh.
apparently. What is it, 30, 40? Are we going up to an hour?
See how long I have to leave this for.
Yeah, let's get the old bivvy bag out.
We're done.
Yeah,
That's it, Jake. Just sleep there. I'll set up your tent and I'll go, Jake.
I think we're gonna make some food and yeah, we'll come back.
Yeah, like now would probably be a good time to pitch up
Oh.
that low there.
What was that time? I want to hear it again on the mic. What was that? Say it aloud.
Now would probably be a good time.
Thanks for your permission, Charlie. I
Yeah.
really appreciate it. I feel like we're much safer now.
Yeah, go on.
We've got a £10 tent here. £10 tent challenge. We've got this guy, £100 tent, which
Yeah, the
I can't say
Vanga
£100.
200, whatever.
So what we're calling it is he's got 10 tents worth of tents. I've got 1 tent. He's got 11 tents worth of tents, and we're going to see which one's the best tent. What I might admit to is perhaps, maybe, the £100 tents. Might make a little bit less noise. Sleep with that thing going off. I think I can take it off as well, to be fair. It's not great, so I don't even know why it's on there. Yeah.
We slept, but what a view to wake up to. What an absolute view. But yeah, everything, we slept in the hill, so felt like just kept rolling down, but it's relatively comfy, not quite warm, not too cold. I've got a water bottle in the sleeping bag apparently. But yeah, it was nice, and you can't beat that really. Ignore the rubbish bag, but can't beat that. But yeah, we best get set up, well, set down, get going. Sorry we didn't really show you more, but it got dark real quick, and it was a wee bit nippy. But yeah, now we move. We're all set up, tidy, well, relatively tidied away. These boys are lacking, mainly this guy.
I can strangle you there.
But yeah, obviously leave no trace and all that malark. Yeah, we're gonna go take a dip. It's nice and sunny. Look at the sun. Just don't stare into it.
I belong at an OAP home. Watching my racing every day, reading my racing post. ITV opening show, 9:30 Saturday morning. Be there.
You're like a walking up.
Go on. Walk with him then. That's a good one. That's a good one to walk out on.
Memories. Oh yeah, you're good. Up. Hey! Oh, there he is. Oh. I'll come this way, mate. I'll come this way.
What is real wild camping. We're going to go down this big river here. Don't know if we're going to slide or not.
Sit down maybe. Oh, you don't have to do it, mate. Still turn back. Push off at the end. Bit cold. You come this slightly left, you should be able to stand. That was glorious, mate. So you're next, right?
Like and subscribe. It's a good channel and it's worth watching people go down waterfalls like that. I'd recommend it at least 10 out of 10.
Madman Morris, until next week. We'll see you.